a sizzling appetizer that's highly popular and mostly prepared in all special and festive occasions. That's Seekh Kebab. And Mutton Seekh has its own speciality. So today gonna learn how to make Mutton Seekh Kebab at home in an easy way. Hope you like it. Keep watching. Hi everyone, my name is Nisha. Welcome back to Mommy's Kitchen. Let's learn how to make Mutton Seekh Kebab at home in an easy way. So let's start. Into a bowl, add in mutton mince. Here I have taken half a kg of mutton mince, also known as Keema. Wash it well and squeeze out all the water from it. And then spread the mince as shown. And then we're gonna add all dry ingredients into it. So firstly goes in the gram flour or besan, that's 4 tablespoons. Then 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic or Adrak lahsun ka paste. 1 teaspoon of red chilli or lal mirch powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander or dhaniya powder. Half a teaspoon of cumin or Jeera powder. Half a teaspoon of black pepper or kali mirch powder. Half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Then add salt as required. Here I have used 1 teaspoon. Then goes in 1 small finely chopped onions, 2 finely chopped green chillies, you may adjust the quantity as per your spice taste, followed by half a cup of finely chopped coriander leaves and half a cup of chopped mint leaves. Now mix all the ingredients well. Some prefer to blend it in a chopper or a food processor. However, I prefer to mix it with hands. So mix it well until it's well combined. Once all are mixed well, I love to add these 2 ingredients. This is completely optional, you may skip it if you want. That's 2 tablespoons of butter and then 2 tablespoons of cheese. Here I am using Mozarella cheese into my kebab. This will give an awesome buttery cheesy flavor to the kebabs. As I said, it's completely optional, you may skip it if you don't have it. Now mix it and combine all well. After combining well, this is how it must look. A perfect texture. The combination of spice powder along with onions, green chilies with an addition of butter and cheese will taste super yummy. Now refrigerate this mixture for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we can proceed in making the kebabs. For that you may need skewers. I have washed the skewers and applied little oil into it once it's dried up. Now let's make the kebabs. For that, apply little oil in your hands and then take a big portion of mince or keema mixture. Now roll it. Then take a skewer and pierce it through the mixture. And then spread the mixture gently across the skewer to give a nice lengthy kebab shape. You may adjust the length as per your preference. See how evenly the mixtures are spread and the kebabs are shaped well. I hope you can see fine chunks of onions, green chilies, cheese and butter along with other spices. This is how we want. Once it's molded well, set it aside. Now let's make another kebab in the same way. Apply oil, take a big portion, pierce the skewer and spread the meat. And then give a nice shape. That's it. The kebab is ready for roasting. Now repeat the same process with the remaining kebabs. These delicious juicy kebab can be made with any minced meat of your choice, but it turns best with mutton. These kebabs can be also frozen and kept for a couple of weeks, and whenever you want to prepare, just thaw them in advance and make super delicious kebabs at home. We're gonna grill this kebab on a pan, which is very easy and convenient to make. For that, remove the skewers as it won't fit in my pan. In case your pan is wide enough, you may place it with the skewers itself. Now remove the skewers from all the kebabs. Once all the skewers are removed, See how lovely the kebab looks. Now let's move on in grilling it on a pan. Here I am going to show you in two ways which will taste best in its own way. You may follow whichever way you like. Now I'm going to show you the first way. For that, brush oil onto all the kebabs and then it's good to go for grilling. Once all the kebabs are greased well, preheat a pan, keep the flame on low and then grease the pan with oil. Now this is the first way. So place the kebabs and then we're gonna cook them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Gently place all the kebabs. Once all of them are placed well, again grease it with a little oil and then allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. If at all you feel the mixture is too moist, just add little more gram flour and all moisture will be gone. It's been 3 to 4 minutes, flip it over and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. And you can see delicious kebabs are ready. The second way is by coating the kebab with the egg mixture. Simply beat an egg and then coat the kebabs with the egg mixture and then place it on a pan. And then cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Here I have divided my kebabs and made it in two ways. Both ways taste extremely delicious. It's been 3 to 4 minutes now, so flip it over and then cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. And then you can see a hot, juicy, full of flavor grilled and roasted seekh kebabs are perfectly ready. In both ways, it will taste extremely delicious. Now just before serving, we need to do a final step that will give an exact seekh flavor to the kebabs. Let me show you how. For that, place all the kebabs onto the pan and then heat up a charcoal. Now take an aluminium foil and place the heated charcoal on it. Now just drop a teaspoon of Desi ghee or clarified butter or even oil and then cover it immediately. Now keep it covered for 3 to 4 minutes as all kebabs will get a nice smoky seekh grill flavor into it. This is how you get an exact seekh flavored kebab which are traditionally made. Now after 3 to 4 minutes, remove the lid and then you can see a super sizzling and incredibly tasty and flavorful mutton seekh kebabs are absolutely ready. Now transfer it to a serving plate and serve it with any chutneys of your choice along with onion rings, tomatoes and green chillies. Do try out this super awesome seekh kebab and enjoy it as an appetizer or as a side dish with your main course. Hope you like this recipe. If so, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so to see more interesting videos and also like and share it. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care of yourself. Happy cooking. Bye-bye.